This is KipwareCYC, machining cycle time estimating software. The undeniable fact is, the key to profitable machine shop quoting and estimating is accurate cycle time estimating. Get it wrong, and your shop suffers. Idle machines, scheduling nightmares, and unhappy customers. KipwareCYC helps you estimate machining cycle times efficiently and accurately. How? By removing the chains, obstacles, and false ideas that cause inaccurate estimates. By eliminating subscription and maintenance fees. By dumping the cloud-based BS model. By using simple interfaces proven in the real world. And by giving the power back to the people who know, machinists. Kentech Inc. has created and developed a revolutionary AI agent for KipwareCYC that serves to enhance and work alongside the machinist, and not replace it as other feature recognition and AI software does. Kip Assist is a 100% self-contained AI agent that requires no internet, and therefore has no data center impact, and enables faster, easier, and more automated cycle time estimating, all the while maintaining and creating cycle times that can actually be reproduced on your shop floor, the key to successful cycle time estimating. With KipwareCYC, you gain confidence in your estimates, maximize productivity, minimize idle time, and keep your customers happy. Ready to transform your quoting process? Explore all the Kipware real-world quoting and estimating and CNC programming tools at www.kipware.com.